Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Walgreens in-store video. So these deals are for the week of September 18th through September 24th. And instead of picking up toothpaste this week, I decided to pick up some laundry household goods and go ahead and use my rewards that I've been accumulating. Alright guys, so this week at Walgreens, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. So I have $12 in Walgreens cash and $7 in registry rewards that I can possibly use today. So what I'm going to do is two separate transactions. I'm going to do I'm going to do a laundry deal here at Walgreens this week, and I will be using all of my rewards. It's cool, as long as I'm picking up what I need. So this week, the Downy fabric softener, scent beads, and a few other items like the dryer sheets are $5.49. And when you buy 3 of them, you'll get 1 free. And we do have some digital coupons for some of these items. So what I plan on doing is picking up one of these Downy right here, the 6 loads. This is the 51 fluid ounce. I'm gonna grab one of these at $5.49, and we have a $1 digital coupon for this one. The next item we're going to pick up for $5.49 is one of these Downy right here. I believe those are included. Yeah, those are included as well. It does say the 48 loads at $5.49. We do have a $1 digital coupon for this one as well. And then this Tide down here is also buy 3 at $5.49, get 1 completely free. So I'm going to pick up one of these Tide detergent at $5.49, and we have a $1.50 digital coupon. No, I think it's a $1 digital coupon for this one. And then for my free item, I'm going to grab one of these Downy right here, the Downy beads. They are also buy 3 at $5.49, get 1 completely free. Alright guys, so here is my first transaction right here. I have some Downy and some Tide. So again, they are $5.49, and when you buy 3, you'll get 1 completely free. So I have a $1 digital coupon for the Downy. I have a $1 digital coupon for this Downy as well, and a $1 digital coupon for the Tide. So all of this totals me like $16.47 after we save $3 for our three $1 digital coupons. It'll bring us down to $13.47. I do have $12 worth of Walgreens cash, and I'm going to go ahead and roll $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $3.47 plus tax out of pocket. So for my $4 and $3 registry reward, I'm not sure how this is going to go, because you guys know how the registry rewards have been acting. But so my second transaction is iffy, but if it does work out, I'm planning on picking up the Purex crystals right here. They are on promotion with a few other items that are buy 1 at $5.79, get 1 completely free. So I'm going to pick up these Purex crystals right here. I'm going to grab the last 2 that they have at $5.79. So I do have $7 in registry rewards I'm using. So I'm going to pick up 2 more items, which will be the Done, I was about to say body wash, Done dish soap at 99 cents each. So here's everything I'll be picking up in the second transaction. 2 of the Done dish soap is 99 cents each, and then 2 of the Purex, they're buy 1 get 1 free. So I'm buying 1 at $5.79, and the other one will be free. So my total will be $7.77. I plan on using my $7 in registry rewards and paying 77 cents plus tax out of pocket. Again, I'm not sure about this transaction, but this is what I would pick up, or hopefully I can. So we're gonna check out with these. All right, guys, so I made it back home from Walgreens, and here is my first transaction that I picked up, and then here is the second one. So let's go over the first one first. You guys know I was doing the buy 3 get 1 free deal at Walgreens. So I picked up the Tide detergent. All of these are $5.49. Buy 3 at $5.49, get 1 free. So the Tide was $5.49. We did have a $1 digital coupon. For the Downy fabric softener, the one all the way in the back with the pink top, $5.49, used a $1 digital. And then for the Downy comb, $5.49, $1 digital coupon. And then I got the Downy beads for free. So here is my receipt for the first transaction. It's everything that I picked up. And then here are all the coupons that came off, and they came off perfectly fine. So I just noticed that a $2 digital coupon came off. I'm not sure for what, but worked out fine for me. And then 2 $1 digital coupons as well. I'm not sure which items they're for, but it looks like more came off than I expected. So my subtotal was $12.47. I was expecting it to be $13.47. So that's cool. I did go ahead and roll $10 in Walgreens cash, and I paid $2.47 plus tax out of pocket for this transaction, guys. So I think that was a really great deal to get some laundry items. So let's go over the second transaction. So here is my second deal. Again, I did the Purex crystals. Those are buy 1 get 1 free. Buy 1 at $5.79 and get the other one for free. And then I picked up 2 of the Dawn dish soap. Those are priced at 99 cents this week. And for this transaction, I had $7 worth of registry rewards that I wanted to use. So here is my receipt for this haul, for this transaction. You see the Purex at $5.79, buy 1 get 1 free, and then the Dawn 2 at 99 cents. So I had the $3 and the $4 registry rewards that I did go ahead and use, and I paid 77 cents. Well, actually, I was able to use $1 in Walgreens cash. So this haul was actually completely free for me. So that is it for my haul this week at Walgreens. I will leave these breakdowns in the description box for you guys below, just in case you want to go ahead and check them out. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.